How to use Leonardo AI. Do you want to do something like this? And if you just type keywords into the prompt and AI will generate images that you can later use wherever you want and all for free? Stay until the end and find out how you can do it. To create something like we saw in the introduction, we will use Leonardo AI. We will go to the site Leonardo AI. When the site has opened, you can click on the Create Account button located here and create an account. The process is very simple and you will receive your order in a few minutes. However, I've already done that, so I'll click on the Lunch app button in the upper right corner. In the next window, I will select the Google account option. A window will open in which I will choose my account and I will wait for Leonardo to open. When the application is opened, we can see a lot of things. If we just scroll through the home page, we can see current trending creations. We can click on each of them and get an enlarged view of the image. But also next to that there is a description, that is, a prompt that needs to be typed to get this kind of picture. We can also download it by finding the download button. Now let's see how we can make our picture. Return to the home page of the Leonardo application. At the very top of the page, you will see the Create New Image option. Click on it. You will find a prompt where you need to type keywords. However, if we pay attention to the menu on the left side, we can see various settings. We can choose how many different variations we want, input dimensions, transparency, width and height, and much more. When you have set it all as you like, we just need to click on the Generate button, which is located right next to the field in which we enter the text. Keep in mind that you get credits on this site, which you can see here, and that every image creation is charged by removing credits from your account. All you need to do is wait for us to process your request. In the end, we will get our results according to the instructions we gave to the artificial intelligence. You can see some of mine right now. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.